Capricorn, the stars are calling you to step into your destiny in 2025. With major cosmic shifts on the horizon, this year is about renewal, balance, and bold strides forward. As Pluto leaves your sign and Saturn continues to guide you, the weight you've been carrying lightens, making space for new opportunities to unfold. Before we dive into your health, career, finances, and love life, don't forget to like this video. Your support means everything. And don't be shy, share your hopes for 2025 in the comments. Let's manifest greatness together. Now, let's explore what the year has in store for you, Capricorn. 2025 marks a turning point in your well-being, Capricorn. As Pluto exits your sign, you'll feel lighter and more in control of your physical and emotional health. January through March is the ideal time to let go of any lingering stress or bad habits that no longer serve you. With Saturn in Pisces focusing on your mental clarity, you'll feel drawn to practices like meditation, journaling, or breathwork. These will keep you grounded and balanced throughout the year. When Jupiter enters Taurus in May, your energy levels will soar, giving you the motivation to start or deepen a fitness routine. However, Uranus's influence in your wellness sector could bring unexpected health insights. Pay close attention to how you feel around late summer. It's a great time to fine-tune your routines and check in with your body. Remember, self-care is a priority, not a luxury. Capricorn, your career soars to new heights in 2025. With Pluto stepping away from your sign, you'll feel less pressure to prove yourself and more freedom to innovate and follow your passions. January and February are key months for brainstorming and recalibrating your long-term goals. Mars energizes your professional zone in April and May, giving you the confidence to tackle challenges head-on. This is a great time to ask for a promotion, launch a new project, or pivot to a career path that excites you. If you've been considering leadership roles, 2025 is your year to shine. Jupiter's transit through Taurus in the latter half of the year opens doors for creative collaborations and expansion. Networking events or team projects could lead to powerful alliances. Stay open to change. Sometimes the unexpected is exactly what you need to thrive. This year brings financial stability and smart growth. Saturn's presence in Pisces supports disciplined money management, helping you stick to a solid budget and save for the future. Use this energy to set financial goals in the first quarter of the year. It's a perfect time for long-term planning. Jupiter's move into Taurus in May brings opportunities for financial expansion. Whether it's a new investment, side hustle, or career growth, you'll see steady improvements in your income. Pay close attention to June and July, as these months are especially promising for financial gains. However, with Uranus still influencing your financial house, expect some surprises, both positive and challenging. Keep an emergency fund ready and don't make impulsive purchases, particularly in August. The key is balance. Trust the flow, but stay grounded. Capricorn, 2025 is a year for deeper connections and meaningful relationships. Pluto's shift into Aquarius sparks transformation in your love life, urging you to communicate honestly and open your heart. If you're in a relationship, the eclipses in March and September will be pivotal. They'll bring clarity and opportunities to strengthen your bond. Saturn's steadying energy ensures that you and your partner can weather any storms together, emerging stronger than before. For singles, Venus retrograde in January encourages you to reflect on what you truly want in love. This could mean revisiting a past relationship or letting go of old patterns. By summer, Jupiter's influence makes your romantic life flourish, especially in June and July. New, exciting connections will align with your values and goals, so stay open to the possibilities. Capricorn, 2025 is your year to build, grow, and thrive. The challenges you've faced in recent years have prepared you for this moment. Trust your instincts, take bold steps, and know that the universe has your back. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more personalized insights and empowering forecasts. Together, let's make 2025 unforgettable.